Swiss authorities may have averted disaster and helped soothe concerns by forcing a merger of the country's two largest banks, the distressed Credit Suisse Group AG and the stronger UBS Group AG, in a government-brokered deal after days of market upheaval. But their actions might have risked jobs of nearly 14,000 Indian employees working at the bank's technology back offices across 3 cities, including Pune. Both UBS and Credit Suisse's India-based technology centers are expected to see the maximum impact of the Swiss government-backed takeover of Credit Suisse by UBS. The banks employ about 7,000 people each across 3 Indian cities in their technology centers, according to an Economic Times report. Let us probe whether this deal has the potential to put Indian jobs at risk. Following the merger, UBS is likely to focus on role rationalization and cost reduction measures that could lead to job losses at multi-city facilities, locally known as Global In-House Centers (GIC). UBS will seek to retain only the best talent at CS, the report said. The firm said in a statement that it plans to cut the combined company's annual cost base by more than $8 billion by 2027. That's almost half of Credit Suisse's expenses last year. UBS reminded employees not to divulge any business secrets to their new colleagues, as long as the emergency acquisition hammered out in crisis talks over the weekend hadn't closed. Credit Suisse is still our competitor, CEO Hammers wrote in a memo to employees. We know that many of you will have been following the intense media coverage over the past 48 hours on the future of Credit Suisse and appreciate the enormous uncertainty and stress that this has caused, Chairman Axel Lehmann and CEO Ulrich Koerner said in the memo. Please note that there is no immediate impact on our clients and on our day-to-day working operations, they wrote. Our branches and global offices will remain open, and all colleagues are expected to and should continue to come to work. Kelleher said he understood the coming months would be difficult for Credit Suisse staff and promised UBS will do what it can to keep the uncertainty as short as possible. Credit Suisse told staff in an internal memo it will work to identify which roles might be impacted, and will aim to continue to provide severance in line with market practice. There will be no changes to payroll arrangements and bonuses will still be paid on March 24, the memo read. The two lenders together employed about 125,000 people at the end of last year, with about 30% of the total in Switzerland.